Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine the old-fashioned way. First, gather your fruit, sugar, yeast, and essential equipment like a fermenter and airlock. You'll need a primary fermenter for initial fermentation and a secondary fermenter for aging. Ensure all your tools are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized to prevent spoilage. This preparation is key for a successful batch. Once your fruit is crushed and in the primary fermenter, it's time to add your wine yeast. Yeast converts the fruit sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Maintain a consistent temperature, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal yeast activity. Use a hydrometer to monitor the specific gravity, which indicates the sugar content and fermentation progress. This stage typically lasts about 5 to 10 days. After primary fermentation, you'll perform the first racking. This involves carefully siphoning the wine from the primary fermenter into a clean secondary vessel, leaving behind the sediment or lees. Racking helps clarify the wine and prevents off flavors. You may rack the wine several times over a few months. Then, allow your wine to age in the secondary fermenter, which can take from a few weeks to several months, developing its flavors. When your wine is clear and stable, it's ready for bottling. Thoroughly sanitize all your bottles, corks, and bottling equipment. Carefully fill each bottle, leaving about 1 to 1.5 inches of headspace for the cork. Cork the bottles promptly and store them on their sides in a cool, dark place. This keeps the corks wet and prevents oxidation, ensuring your wine ages beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.